Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Let's work out. Resistance band I'm using here, lower body functional strength will do. This is something light, not very tight. If you think that you are stronger, you can use something more tighter, up to you. I try to record such helpful videos for different age, which most people can benefit from. So let's work. First move, nice and easy one. Fix it. This will be kind of warm up, and at the same time we get started. Leg square, straight posture. Inhale first. Exhale, nice and easy. We're going to draw up our knee, engaging our hip, core, and lower back. Let's work 10 times each leg. Inhale. Up. And 2, 3, high. 4, push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Inhale deeply and then switch side. Right one. Here we go. Higher. 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay, inhale deeply first. Exhale. The next one, we're going to bend our knee and we're going to drive towards the side. So here our thigh is working also. Core is working, lower back, everything is working. 10 times each side. Inhale first. Let's work towards the side. And up. 2. Feel stable on the right side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Inhale, and then we switch side. Exhale. Okay, right one. 2, high. 3, push. 4, push. 5, push. 6, 7, high. 8, 9, 10. Good. Release. Inhale deeply again. Exhale. Now from here, one is inside, one is outside. So we're going to start with right leg. Right leg, just push back, engage your lower back and glute muscles. This is very helpful if you have lower back pain. Inhale first, we're going to do 10 times each side. Inhale. Let's work with right leg back. And push. 2. Engage, squeeze. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Right step in, left inside, bring it back. Tightly with your resistance band, this way you cannot lose it during the move. Inhale first. Exhale, let's push back. 2, squeeze. 3, 4, squeeze. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Awesome. Inhale first. Exhale. Next one, face to you. From here, what we're going to do, just keep your legs straight. If you want, you can bend your legs a little bit and slightly open. If not, you can do it straight. So first we're going to do it straight, and second we're going to do with bended knee, because second one is more difficult if some of you have knee pain or knee injury before was. Inhale. Keep your legs straight, pushing with the right from the side. 1, 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, push. 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale again. Exhale. Left one, go. 1, 2, push. 3, high. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is very useful practice for those who have especially lower back pain, knee pain. This way you can recover, treat yourself very good, step by step. Of course you can, if your muscles are strong, this will not be enough, but in the same time, this kind of functional workout everyone should do. Even if you lift weights, small group of muscles are working here. So These can be as a part of your like strength training, kind of recovery strength training. Okay, next one, inhale. As I told you before, we are bending our knees. Right leg will slide open towards the side and bring it back. Slide open and bring it back. Slide open and bring it back. And then we switch. 10 times left, 10 times right. Inhale. Starting from the right side. 2, open. 3, 4, push. 5, 6, 7, push. 8, 9, 10. And release. Okay, inhale deeply. Exhale. Left one. Leg square, knees out. Left gonna open towards the side. Inhale. Let's work. Push. 2, 3, 4, 5. Push. 6, 7. Push. 8, 9, 10. Up. Okay, inhale deeply first. Exhale. Okay, we are done with that first level, so we raise it higher. We're gonna go here. First, what we're gonna do, we target lower back and glute. First, rotate your toe towards the left side, right? So from here, we're gonna open our leg towards the side. So we're gonna engage glute and back side of our leg. Inhale first, 10 times. Let's work. 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, higher. 8, 9, 10. Release. Another side, right one. Leg square. You bend your knees slightly. Rotate your toe outside. Bring your toe closer to you and just open. Okay, inhale. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. One more with this, but we're gonna just hold it for 10 seconds. So you're gonna raise, hold 10 seconds and back, and then we switch side. Get ready, leg square, toes closer, knees out, and then push and hold. Hold here tight. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And right side, here we go, up, hold 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. Okay, inhale deeply. Exhale. Okay, next one. Keep it same level, but a little bit lower, under your knees. From here, we're gonna squat down. Open your legs wider. From here, we're gonna push our knees wider and we're gonna squat down and back up. Push, squat, and back up. Inhale first. Let's work. 12. And back. 2. Push. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 2 more. 1. 2. And back. Don't forget, lower back should be straight when you squat down. Release. We're gonna do 10 seconds holding and then we move forward. Inhale. Exhale. Come on. 10 seconds holding. Open your legs, knees drive towards the side, straight lower back. Open and hold. Keep pushing with your knees out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Okay, nice one. Inhale first. Exhale. We continue with hamstrings. Drop it down, one step up. So I will show you back to you first, this way. From here, we're gonna work only with our left leg. So hamstrings focused. Inhale, 10 times each side. Let's work. Left. 2, squeeze. 3, 4, squeeze. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Right one inside, left one outside. Now we're gonna work only with our right side. Inhale. Exhale, keep working. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3, push. 4, 5, push. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Awesome. Inhale first. Exhale. We're gonna hold 10 seconds on each leg. Right inside, left banded. So we're gonna band your left tight and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Not bad. Switch. Right one inside, get ready. Inhale first. Exhale, bend. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. Okay. Here we go. We're moving forward, up, higher the knees. We're gonna squat, moving our hips a little bit back, right? And from here, open towards the side. Side step, left step. Right step, left step. You should be familiar with this. Keep working side to side with our hips. Very useful exercise. Okay, inhale. Get ready, squat. Let's work, side, right. 1, 20 times, 2, 3, push, 4, 5, go ahead, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more, 1, go ahead, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. We're gonna do one more set of this and then we move forward. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Let's work. Leg square. Here we go. 20 times. Right side. 1, 2, 3. Keep working. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1. Go ahead. 2, 3. Push. 4, 5. Push. 6, 7. Push. 8, 9, 10. Release. Awesome. Inhale first. Exhale. Okay, let's add knees. Very useful thing. From here, I hope most of you can do this. So, left leg straight, we bend slightly your right. And from here, you need to try to flex your right leg in front. So tension goes to your big group of muscle and then of course your knees, right? So let's do 2 sets, left, right, 10 reps. Inhale first. Bend slightly your right knee, let's flex forward. Inhale, exhale, push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, push. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Switch, right inside, left inside, right, you step on. Bend slightly, here we go. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, push. 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay. The second one, we're just gonna hold 10 seconds each leg. Inhale. Drive, flex, and hold. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Left one. Inside. Inhale. Exhale. Bend. Flex. Let's hold. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Not bad. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Here we go. Next one. We'll do the same thing, but right now we're gonna raise straight leg up. Straight leg up. 10 times left, 10 times right. Inhale. Here we go. 10. 2, higher. 3, 4, 5, 6, push. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Release. Switch. Left one. Left inside. Here we go. Up. 10 times. 1, 2, push. 3, 4, high, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay, inhale deeply first. Exhale. The last one for today. Place your resistance band higher than knees. Open squat a little bit. And from here, we're gonna open just our knees as wide as possible, just from knees and hips. So the thing is, you need to push out as much as you can. Just hold your body at the same time. Lower your butt a little bit from here. Feel strong and stable, and just push your knees out. Push your knees out. Here we go. We're gonna do 20 times. I will do face to you. Inhale and push. 1, 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Okay. Not bad. Done with strength. Let's add some mobility and flexibility, and we are done. Place your resistance band on the ground. First, hip, right leg towards the side, hips forward, and just slightly slide down towards the right side and hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Right knee on the ground, left leg towards the side, hips forward, and slightly slide towards the side. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Next one, right leg in front, palms in front of you, arms in front of you. Just feel that stretch in your hamstrings. 10 seconds. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch, left leg in front. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then back. Stand up, and if you can, lengthening for the spine. We are full forwarding, moving our hips backwards, and just switching the floor, flexing our lower back, hamstrings, legs, everything. Just breathe here. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Okay, nice and easy one. We are done. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy it. Subscribe, comment, suggest. I'm always welcome. Peace, take care of yourself. Wish you all the best.